Welcome to an incredible journey through the history of spacewalks. Imagine the cosmos as an ocean, a vast expanse waiting to be explored. Picture daring astronauts, leaving their vessels to swim through this ocean untethered in the vacuum of space. From the first steps into the void to today's missions, spacewalks have captivated our imaginations. Relive these iconic moments, celebrating the courage and ingenuity that made them possible. Picture this, March 18th, 1965. The Cold War is at its frostiest. The Soviet Union launches Voskhod 2 with cosmonauts Pavel Belyaev and Alexei Leonov. Leonov ventured outside, tethered by 17 feet, floating for 12 minutes. His suit ballooned, making his return a struggle, a stark reminder of space's unforgiving nature and the courage required. Just 3 months after Leonov's historic walk, America responded with a spacewalk of its own. June 3, 1965, astronaut Ed White, propelled by a handheld gas gun, became the first American to walk in space. During his 23-minute spacewalk, White maneuvered with agility, tethered to the spacecraft. The iconic image of White suspended against the backdrop of our planet remains unforgettable. This wasn't just a spacewalk, it was a ballet performed in the vacuum of space. Just 3 months after Leonov's historic walk, America responded with a spacewalk of its own. June 3, 1965, astronaut Ed White, propelled by a handheld gas gun, became the first American to walk in space. White maneuvered with agility, tethered to the spacecraft. The iconic image of White, suspended against the backdrop of our planet, remains unforgettable. July 20th, 1969. A date etched in human history. Neil Armstrong descended the lunar module's ladder and said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Joined by Buzz Aldrin, Armstrong planted the American flag. Their lunar ballet continues to inspire awe. The moonwalk was a philosophical milestone. April 12, 1981, marked the dawn of the space shuttle era. STS-3 gave us the first ever spacewalk from a shuttle. Story Musgrave and Donald Peterson tested the robotic arm. This spacewalk paved the way for ISS construction, a significant step in spacewalk evolution. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, promised to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, but a flaw in its primary mirror threatened the mission. In December 1993, the Space Shuttle Endeavour carried a crew to fix Hubble. Over 5 spacewalks, astronauts installed corrective optics and new instruments. Hubble captured breathtaking images, expanding our understanding of the universe. September 27, 2008, marked a milestone in China's space journey, the first spacewalk. Taikonaut Jai Zhigang, in a Phaeton spacesuit, waved a Chinese flag. The 19-minute spacewalk showcased China's growing space capabilities. It was a statement of national pride and technological achievement. This moment resonated globally, highlighting space exploration's universal appeal. Spacewalks demand immense fortitude. The longest spacewalk record belongs to NASA astronauts Susan Helms and Jim Voss. On March 11, 2001, during Expedition 2, they spent 8 hours and 56 minutes outside the ISS. Their endurance is a testament to human capabilities. Spacewalks push human endurance to the limit. On July 18, 1984, Soviet cosmonaut Svetlana Savitskaya became the first woman to walk in space. She spent over 3 hours outside the Salyut 7 space station. Her achievement paved the way for future female astronauts. Savitskaya inspired young girls to reach for the stars. Even astronauts love a good selfie. Buzz Aldrin captured the first space selfie in 1966. Testing a new camera, he aimed it at himself. The iconic image showed Earth in his visor. It captured human curiosity and our desire to document. The International Space Station is a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. The first ISS spacewalk was on December 7, 1998. Astronauts Jerry Ross and Jim Newman connected the Unity and Zarya modules. This began a decade-long construction project. The ISS has been continuously occupied for over 2 decades. Spacewalks are fraught with danger, a stark reminder of the unforgiving cosmos. On July 16, 2013, Luca Parmitano's helmet filled with water during a spacewalk. A clogged filter in his spacesuit's cooling system caused the leak. Parmitano navigated back to the airlock, relying on his training. His experience underscores the dangers of spacewalks and the courage required. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of spacewalks. From Leonov's first steps to Parmitano's brush with disaster, we've witnessed the evolution of spacewalks. Spacewalks will be vital in exploring the cosmos. They'll help build lunar bases and enable Mars missions. Stay tuned for more incredible stories from the final frontier.